Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So this backyard at the beginning of this week, this is Tuesday, so yesterday, this backyard was just a bunch of dying and dead grass. We've got an avocado tree here. We're actually, our latest project, we just planted these fruit trees. Actually, it's an Anna apple, 2 Annas and 2 Fuji apples. They're great for the beach area. We're going to do a pathway through here. Just wanted to give you like an update or show you the middle of a project. Took out the grass here because we're going to install a little flagstone patio. It's going to be really cool. And this morning we began work on our pollinator waterfall. So you can see how this is going. We actually got the EPDM liner laid. It's 45 millimeter EPDM liner with the underlayment. And if you notice very carefully, we actually have landscape fabric, a geotextile fabric, on top of the liner. That's to prevent tears from these big rocks, because they're pretty heavy, from tearing the future liner. How we have this built is that plumbed, is that water from the catch basin is going to come through this pipe. It's an 1.5-inch pipe. We're laying the weir rocks down, and we're going to foam it all in, and so there's going to be a drop there, and then the water's going to come down. There's going to be 2 smaller drops right here, and then it goes down to a final drop here, which will go down to the reservoir. So that's a lot of, like, you know, if you wanted to build a farm that recycles water, you could actually use this method too, or waterfall. And then the pump we're using, it's the Owasi waterfall pump, the 6600. It's going to give us a ton of flow, but more importantly, it uses a tiny bit of electricity. So it's just a really great pump. So wanted to just give you an overview of the middle of a job of what it should look like. We started this yesterday and coming along nicely. We had 6 pallets of stone delivered here. We're going to be using a lot of these little guys here, and then especially the gravel for the stream bed. And we've got these for the stream bed. This is going to be for the patio. But just giving you an update. Some of the plants we're using, just got this watered down. This is going to be a tropical paradise that we're trying to recreate, like the Garden of Eden here. So there's plumerias. This is a California native with a flower. It's called a hesperlo. Very unusual plant. Some palm trees. And these are bromeliads. Check it out. Flower. Incredible. Stunning. Never seen things like that in the real world. And so these gorgeous anthuriums. Yeah, and oh, check this out. These are also going to go in there too. Just the beauty on this. Anyway, just wanted to keep you abreast. This, by the way, I'm in the back patio for the homeowner. So when the homeowner looks, they're going to be able to hear and see this gorgeous waterfall. So Mike with Enviroscape LA, signing off. When you think Garden of Eden, think Enviroscape LA. Take care.